Keep an eye on that for a potential breakout. Let's head over to, we talked about pound Canada, we talked about dollar yen. I want to go to Canada yen next. This was an interesting one. For you traders that trade the simple pattern formation called the rising wedge or rising channel. So Canada yen, similar situation as to dollar yen, where we've exploded up, maybe explode is the wrong word, we've pushed up to a previous level of structure. You can see this big zone of consolidation to the left right here. And at that level of structure, we would expect some type of hold, maybe some type of reaction or rejection. We go down to the 4-hour chart, we can see a loss of momentum pattern. And this is what rising channels and rising wedges and falling channels and falling wedges will be. We call them loss of momentum patterns, where we have a steep slope right here, price pushes up, then we start to see, right, a decreasing slope. We're still pushing up, there's a decreasing slope, meaning we're going more horizontal and less vertical, right? It takes more time to cover less price. We also see a change in the type of candlesticks, right? So you see in that initial boost up, the bottom, I guess you can say, started with a red candle, but a bullish move on that red candle. And then we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish candles in a row. Then again, we continue to push up, but we see segments of 3 candle retracements, followed by 4 candle extensions, followed by another 1 large red candle retracement, followed by an extension, right? And we're starting to lose momentum. Now, what you would want to pair this with on your indicator is divergence in the RSI, right? So again, you see price, although slowing down, has continued to make higher highs. However, we look at our relative strength index, and again, you can use whatever indicator of your choice. We can actually see price is making lower highs. So we have divergence. And again, divergence is when your price chart and your indicator or oscillator are giving opposing signals. So if in general, when price is going up, right, your relative strength index, right, because it measures the strength in the market, should be going up as well. When price is going down, your relative strength index, which measures strength in the market, should be going down. When one is going up and the other is going down, we call that divergence, right? And it's a clue. It doesn't mean anything's going to happen, but it's a clue that we may be seeing some sort of relief here. So this is a relief pattern. And again, what it means is this is the end, or you would predict the end of the trend, or the end of the move, where the buying pressure would dry up a little bit. Buyers are taking profit, or less buyers interested at that price point, and we see some type of retracement. So the question now is, right, if you're someone that's trading this, we have this pattern, we have it coming up into a previous level of structure, we have it coming into a very powerful psychological number, right? Look at this, $100 even, right? The question is, what do you need in order to take a sell signal? And if you do take that sell signal, where would you expect that sell signal to go to? Now, this is the difficult part about these type of pattern formations, right? Because let's say you're looking for a lower low, lower close. Well, the hard part is that, remember, these things are trending up like this, right? And we never actually know when that move is going to end. So assuming we need the 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This could be the lower low, lower close, or it could just be another wave. And this could be the lower low, lower close, or it could just be another wave. So that's why we want to team it up with things like structure zones. We want to team it up like things like Fibonacci. We just don't want to necessarily take these pattern formations blind. Just like any other structure or price action based trade, we want to do our best to analyze and predict the level that we think they're most likely to terminate at. So if you can get a lower low, lower close right here, this would be a good sign. You can see the market stalling off again right at the psychological number. I would say, or let me ask you guys this, if if you're making a prediction to the downside, where do you guys think price action would go to? I've got a level I like, but I like the game of asking you guys. Foist. 99.6 says Orsi. Get my lines out. 99.6, 99.85, or 99.6 says Orsi. 99.85 says Kevin. Both looking at this structure swap zone, right? A previous level of resistance, broken, violated, penetrated, turning into support. Do everything looking left here as well. You can see this level has played a role in the past as well. Maybe not so much there, but right here. So pretty decent level. As always, we can bring Fibonacci's into it. Fibonacci retracement, swing low to swing high. 382, right at that level as well. Yeah, I think that zone is a good level to shoot for. So again, let's just pretend. Let's say we do get a lower low, lower close in this 4-hour candle, which will complete in 18 minutes, by the way. If you're using an ATR-based stop, ATR is 30. Right, let's say you're going to get one ATR above the highs. You're looking at 56s. You can also take one ATR above the high of this candle. Let's just take it. Let's do the safe route right here. Let's say we get a lower low, lower close below this range. So not necessarily this candle, below this range right here. Draw that out online for you guys, because that range break is what we want to be looking for here. Boom. What did I say? Looking at a stop loss somewhere in here. Pretty good risk reward. Another option would be getting it into the 40s. Makes that risk reward a little bit better as well. So you're probably looking at least 1.5 to 1 risk reward. Maybe at max about a 1.2. So either way, decent trading opportunity here. I'm gonna get this over to our Pro Trade Log and Pro Trade normal chat. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you ever want to be part of the discussion, feel free to join us in the live trading room. We run both a London and a New York-based session every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and it is part of your risk-free trial membership at tier1trading.com. So check us out, www.tier1trading.com, featured in Forbes magazine as the leading innovators in trading education. If you're interested in learning how to trade, get started.